this tense creating an issue for you? Are you getting confused when to use this tense? And in the journey of using this tense, you are making certain errors. So this lecture will help you actually understand the reason why we are using this tense, the situation of the tense, and the errors that generally people tend to make and how to rectify them. Let's get started. So future perfect tense, जैसे कि हमने पास्ट परफेक्ट में देखा था कि दो सिचुएशंस थी, दोनों ही कंप्लीट हो जाती है और एक सिचुएशन दूसरी सिचुएशन से पहले कंप्लीट होती है या टाइम से पहले कंप्लीट होती है। आपको याद है ये सिचुएशन? यस, यही सिचुएशन फॉलो होती है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में। जब फ्यूचर में कोई एक एक्शन या एक्टिविटी किसी टाइम से पहले ख़त्म होनी है या दूसरे एक्टिविटी से पहले ख़त्म होनी है, तब हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट को यूज़ करेंगे। लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल। I think we multiple times use this tense in our routine. Let's take an example from our daily lives. Already prepared or cooked the dinner. My mom will have already cooked the food before I will reach home. So if you remember, in past perfect we had two activities, one getting completed before another activity. Same here, we have two actions and one will get completed before another. Let's see. My mom will have already completed cooking and then I'll enter and then I'll reach home. So this activity gets completed first and this gets completed then after. So this is the second activity and this is the first. This will get completed before this will happen. So as this activity gets completed first, this sentence or this action will have the future perfect tense and the second activity will follow simple future tense. Now what if we write the same thing with time? Would you like to try it by yourself using a time? Go ahead, pause the video, make this sentence. Okay, let's make it. So my mom will have, now already is optional, right? Will have cooked the food before 7 p.m. Simple, isn't it so simple? Don't you think that this clears your idea? Are you gradually gaining confidence in understanding the concept of future perfect tense? Are you gaining confidence in using this tense? And I also think that now the situation that supports this tense is again clear. Basically, this will help you in some of the speaking questions of IELTS, or it is possible that you might require to present some situation in essay which is falling under this category. So make sure whenever you are using future perfect, make sure to include either of the time or the other situation which will support simple future. This is again the key factor which shouldn't be ignored. Fine, let us see how this tense will look with different pronouns or singular or plural nouns. Okay, let's see how this will look here. Let's take a verb. I want to ask you, what will be here? Will I have here or has here? Yes, I will have here. There is no has in future tense. And they will have helped. Easy? This is how it will look. So let us go ahead and try making a sentence into question and negative. Okay, let us make a sentence. Now this is a simple sentence that I've written, and I would like you guys to try converting it into question and negative. Go ahead, pause the video, try this by yourself and check. Ready? The boy will have written the essay. So now what do I have that I can take to convert this sentence into question? So yes, I have this will over here. Will को लेके मैं सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ. So ये कैसा दिखेगा? So will the boy written the essay before time? Was this the same sentence that you have written? Let's check the negative form. The boy will not have written the essay before time. Easy? I guess now you have understood quite well how to use this tense. What is the situation of this tense? Let's go ahead and check out some of the errors that people tend to make. Okay, so here I have written two sentences and I would like you guys to spot my errors. Make sure to have a pen and a paper and write the errors down and tally with me while I spot the error. You can go ahead, pause the video and go ahead with the task. Let's see. Here I have written the postman will has knocked the doors. So I think by the time I reached here, you have already underlined the error. Yes, we don't have has over here. We have to write have. The postman will have and not has. What about this? Are you able to spot the error here? So my friends will have, oh, I also have. So do you think there is any error or if the sentence is completely correct? Is there any error? Oh, I think that the sentence is correct. Do you think? Yes, the sentence is incorrect. My friends will have arrived or arrived, because we need the third form of the verb. So is that the only error in this sentence, or are you able to spot one more? Yes, I have written at, no at. I am not providing just an information. I am saying something which is before time. So I have, instead of writing before, I have written at. So by this you might have understood the importance of situation. What is the situation of future perfect? So by this, I think I am now confident that you will be definitely able to write or use this sentence correctly in your writing as well as in your speaking. And if ever you are making error, this will help you to focus on the verbs that you have written plus the situation that you have created to use this tense. Make sure to check the form of the verb and the situation while you are checking your content both in your essay as well as in your speaking.